For pancreatic cancer, surgery combined with chemotherapy currently offers the strongest chance of long-term disease control. The pancreas sits deep in the upper abdomen. It makes digestive enzymes and hormones like insulin that control blood sugar. Doctors consider surgery when the tumor is limited to the pancreas and hasn't spread to distant organs like the liver or lungs. A multidisciplinary tumor board reviews scans and biopsies together to decide whether surgery is the right path forward. The Whipple procedure is the most common operation. It removes the pancreas head, duodenum, gallbladder, and part of the bile duct. After removal, the surgeon reconnects the remaining pancreas, bile duct, and stomach to the small intestine so digestion can continue. For tumors in the body or tail, surgeons perform a distal pancreatectomy, often removing the spleen alongside the affected pancreas. Surgeons use open, laparoscopic, or robotic approaches. The choice depends on tumor location, vessel involvement, and center experience. Preparation is thorough. Imaging, blood tests, nutrition support, and sometimes chemotherapy before surgery to shrink the tumor. A Whipple takes 6 to 8 hours. Hospital stay is usually 7 to 14 days, starting with intensive care monitoring. Recovery unfolds over months. Walking daily rebuilds strength, and most patients feel substantially stronger by 6 to 12 weeks. Digestion changes afterwards. Pancreatic enzyme capsules taken with meals help absorb nutrients and prevent weight loss. Most patients receive chemotherapy after surgery to reduce recurrence risk, along with regular scans and blood tests for surveillance. Outcomes are strongly linked to center volume. High-volume specialist HPB centers report lower complication and mortality rates. Did you know? You can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost.
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.